So far good, okay? कुछ बात समझ में आ रही? Yeah? Okay? Yes. So time versus task we told. Next we efforts matter a lot. आपके efforts जो हैं ये मैटर करने का ज़्यादा, ठीक है? अब efforts का तो क्या? Every day I should think what went well today. आज मेरी स्टडीज में क्या अच्छा हुआ? कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स अच्छा पढ़ा मैं? Did I understand something? Yes, I understood so many things. Alhamdulillah. That will give you positivity. Yeah, something went. What went wrong? I was not able to study something. That went wrong. Or I was not able to give time. I was distracted. So that went wrong. I should avoid this. What went wrong? जो हुआ ये avoid करना कल से मैं. Tomorrow I will not do the same mistake. Yeah. First thing is positivity that we will increase. Second thing is negativity that happened that we will try to decrease. Distraction I'll try to decrease. For example, I am playing cricket for 2 hours instead of studying. I'll reduce that time. I'll give some time for quality time for studying. Okay, when I say time, time should be quality time. इतना याद रखिएगा. Time should be quality time. Okay? Yeah. Then what could be improved? What can be improved? For example, if I am not able to solve some problems, so I am weak in maths. I need to improve this. ये आपको मालूम रहना that I need to improve. I wrote PGCET MBA entrance exam in 2006. I am telling you, before going to the examination, this PGCET is the entrance exam for MBA. I knew very well I will score less than 500 rank. Rank कभी ना first rank, second rank ऐसा all over कर्नाटका चलता. Lakhs students, lakhs of together. I knew very well I will get the rank less than 500. I knew very well because I used to follow all these methods. I knew very well I am going to score this much. And because that time I was working as a lecturer also simultaneously, I was not able to give time for the entrance exam. I knew very well if I had given 1 more hour or 2 more hours extra, I could have got less than 100 rank. ये भी मुझे मालूम था कि मैं ये लेवल पे हूँ. You should know at what level you are. दूसरे जज करना नहीं, आप कुछ मालूम हो जाता कि आप क्या लेवल पे हैं. That is when you analyze yourself. आपको पता चल जाता English how much you will score, Hindi how much you will score, science, maths, social how much you will score. You will understand. But when you sit and think about yourself, थोड़ा ये आपको ख्याल रखना. This is called as self-awareness. You should know what is your strength, what is your weakness. Okay? You should know that. Yeah. Fine. Now, self-belief. You should never think I cannot. You should always think I can. Inshallah I can. I can do it करके सोचना. I cannot करके सोच ले आपको वैसा होता. Virat Kohli or AB de Villiers when they go for batting, they will think I am going to score a century करके जाते सुनो. Correct? They will not think that I cannot play well करके नहीं सोचते हो. They will go with a positive mindset and they will play well. That's why when you go for the examinations, when you sit for study, I can. Inshallah I can study definitely. If you go with that positive attitude, definitely it's going to help because you are talking to yourself and telling you can do it. Yeah, that matters a lot. I'm telling you. Yeah, fine. Now, what is this? What do you see here? So suppose, let us imagine you have a bulb, you have a circuit, you have a battery, you have a switch. पूरा है आपके पास. रोशनी नहीं आ रही. What do you think? Yeah, yeah. Very good. Correct. Switch को ऑन करना है हमें. Correct. Likewise, you also have all the talent. सब कुछ है. आपके पास एनर्जी है, आपके पास राइट सर्क्यूट है, बल्ब है, सब है. स्विच भी है आपके पास. ऑन करना इसको ना. ऑन का मतलब पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट रखना के डिसाइड करना के मैं पढ़ूंगा. You have to decide you are going to study. You have to decide you are going to achieve success. If you decide, that's where your success begins. That journey begins from there when you decide first. पढ़ने का secondary, studying is secondary. First decide right. Ammi has to decide right. Friday she will make mutton biryani or chicken biryani. She will decide right. पहले अम्मी decide करती है सुना. बाद में ना पकाने का. You're getting the point. First mother will decide right what she is going to do. Then she will do it. So the decision you have to do first. आप पहले decide कर लो कि आप क्या करने वाले हैं. If you decide, then things will come into it. Yeah. Sure. Now, Kaizen. Kaizen means continuous improvement. Extremely important. Make a note. Inshallah, this is going to be helpful for your lifetime. This point, extremely important. And whatever I try to give you tips, inshallah, based on your life, it should be helpful for your life. That is what is my plan. आपकी जिंदगी में साथ देना ये चीज़ जो आज आप सीखते हैं. Kaizen. This is a Japanese term. It means continuous improvement. This is a Japanese philosophy. Kaizen means continuous improvement. All of you know, right? Japan. What happened to Japan in World War II? Correct. Hiroshima, Nagasaki were hit by bombs, right? Yeah, nuclear bombs. Full destruction happened, but they took it as a challenge. They became superpowers. Technology में Japan are the best one, right? How they did it is they followed one philosophy. They still follow the philosophy of Kaizen. It means continuous improvement. What they believe, suddenly I may not become 0 to 100%. That is okay, no problem. From 0 to I go to 10% first. 10% to 20%, 20 to 30. Step by step, slowly I improve myself, so I will reach 100%. You getting the point? Same thing with yourself also. You might be at different level because different students are at different level. अलग-अलग रहती है आपकी intellect. But every day you have to think of improving yourself. Every day you have to improve little bit. थोड़ा कभी improvement रहना आप में, हर subject में थोड़ा improvement रहना. इतना रहा तो भी काफी है, ठीक है? Sudden एक दिन में पूरा होना तो क्या भी नहीं है. Slowly you should improve. Okay? Fine. This is extremely important for your life also. Now also when I go for IAS coaching, I think how can I improve myself? What am I missing from my previous class? Should I improve something? I start improving myself. Right now also, I will improve. So you have to keep this for your life. Continuous improvement. Even in our software companies, we use this policy. Continuous improvement. How we can improve? Yeah. Now, I want to share a story of this guy. Yes, you are right. 1991 in July, in one of the poor family of farmers, okay, in Andhra Pradesh near Machlipatam, one village, one child was born. Now tell me one thing, at home, if a child is born, what will be the situation at home? घर में कैसा रहता माहौल? Correct? Happiness? Everybody will be happy, right? But this home was not happy. There was sorrow in this home because the child born was blind. And the relatives, the neighbors, they came and they told the family was very poor. Their earning was around 2,000 rupees per month. कितना? 2,000 rupees per month. बहुत सारे लोग एक डिनर में खर्चा कर देते 2,000 रुपए. Per month their earning was 2,000 rupees. So the relatives and the neighbors, they told, you are already blind, so you are already very poor, and the child is blind. What is the use of this child? इस बच्चे से आपको कुछ भी फायदा नहीं है. आप गरीब हैं, आपको और भी तकलीफ होती. Better you kill this child. They told the parents, better you kill this. This is a waste child. It is not going to be useful. It is going to be burden for you. They told. आपके बोले. But parents told, no, we are not going to kill. We are not going to kill. This is our child. Okay? कन्नड़ा में बोलती हेत्तवರಿಗೆ ಹೆಗ್ಗಣ ಮುದ್ದು करके बोलती. Parents को अपने बच्चे कैसा कर रहे हैं? उन्होंने प्यारे बच्चे parents को. No, whatever it may be, this is our child. We will grow him. Okay? So the child starts growing up because father was a farmer. Field को लेके जाते, farming field को बच्चे. Because it was blind, it is not helping the father. Because of the blindness, the child is not able to help father. The father decides, okay, let me do one thing. Let me give education to this child. He cannot be a farmer, but I can give him education. He gives education to this child and he continues education in school. In SSLC, the standard where you are studying now, he also studied. The blind child, can you guess how much he scored? 20? Yeah? He scored 90+% in SSLC board examination. A blind child. क्या बोलते हैं आप, सक्सेस है कि नहीं है? Blind child अचीव करना करो? Great. Can we give a big round of applause for him? This is an achievement, right? Yeah. So whenever in a speech, probably, I have the claps. Allow me for one. Yeah. So if you hear some achievement about somebody, you can give a clap. No problem. Okay? So he cleared board examinations, 90+%. Very good percent. He got full motivation. I want to study further. I want to study science. बच्चे को साइंस की ख्वाहिश पहले से भी. He wanted to study science. He applied for many colleges. All the colleges rejected his application. Why they rejected? They said blind. अच्छे अच्छे बच्चे फेल हो जाएंगे साइंस में, ये बच्चा कैसा पढ़ता है? तो they said, no, we cannot give you an opportunity. You are a blind child. We will not give you opportunity. He approached many colleges. No college gave him permission. Finally, what he did not stop there. He went and filed a case in the court. He went to High Court of Andhra Pradesh. He put a case saying that being blind is not my problem. It is nature's problem. I want to study. Studying is my right. Education is my right. I want to study at any cost. He put a case against the government. क्यों नहीं chance दे रहे मुझे को? 6 months went. Finally court said, okay, fine. ठीक है. You study, no problem. But we will give you a chance. But if you fail, it is your problem. Student को बोलते हैं, if you fail, it is your problem. You should not blame the lecturers or the college. It is your problem. The child said, okay, you give me a chance. That's enough. He continued. He put effort. Second PUC, can you guess how much he scored? 90 plus? Yes. He scored 98% in second PUC board exam. ಏನು ಫೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನನಗೆ? ಫೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು बोलते आप challenge लिया बच्चा. He took a challenge, scored 98% in the examination. He did not stop there. Court, what condition court had put? फेल हो तो बोलना नहीं करके बोले, फेल हो तो बिल्कुल बोल दीजिए, मैं पास होकर दिखाता हूँ. तो he took a challenge. Yeah, that's how we should take challenge. 98% he scored. He got the ambition of studying engineering. Engineering में कौन से इनसे best colleges in India? All over India. Okay, you're talking only about Bangalore. No problem. Across India, they are called as IITs. If you want to study engineering, IITs, Indian Institute of Technologies, they are the best colleges. Okay? Normal engineering college में पढ़ के आप जॉब लेते हो आपको 6 lakhs per annum मिलता, IIT में पढ़े तो 40 lakh 50 lakh salary मिलती. That's how the difference is. वैसे आती क्वालिटी वहाँ की. Yeah? So he wanted to study IIT. IIT में पढ़ना था तो खाली he put application form. IIT also rejected his application. Why? Because he is blind. IIT says no, we cannot give chance to blind student. In one of his speeches, he says, if IIT does not want me, I also don't want IIT. He has reached so much confidence. IIT वाले मंजे नको बोलती क्या? मंजे भी तुमने नको जॉब करो. तुम्हें नको मंजे जॉब करो बोले. He didn't stop there. He went and applied for the universities across the world. World में है ना best universities. He applied for all those world best universities. He got selected in 4 universities in the world. And finally he selected number 1 college in the world for engineering. Number 1, it is called as MIT in America. MIT college, that is number 1 in the world. बच्चा कहाँ गया सो? Number 1 college MIT America college में he gets selected. He takes education. He completes his engineering. Usually what happens after completing engineering, they go for campus selection. जो मैं बोले आपको, jobs they will get. Lakhs together, crores together salary. He also got an opportunity. But he said that time, no, I don't want to be like any normal person, just doing a job. I don't want to do a job here. I will go back to my country, my place. I will create one company which will give opportunity to blind people like me. He came back to India. He comes back to India, starts his own industry. First preference is blind people, handicapped people, they will get the first preference. Poor people who are not getting opportunity, they will get the first preference. Okay? He started one company. I was studying about him in 2018. You can make a note of his name. His name is Shrikant Bolla. Shrikant Bolla is his name. You can later check about his details also. Shrikant Bolla. And the company name is Bollant Industries. B-O-L-L-A-N-T. Bollant Industries. Bollant Industries. So in 2018 when I was studying about him, उनकी अर्निंग कितनी रहना गेस करो एक साल में. अर्निंग कितनी रहना? एक ब्लाइंड स्टूडेंट कितना अर्निंग कर रहे हैं ना? या 30,000, 1 lakh, या 1 crore, yes, yeah. His earning was 50 crore rupees per annum. 50 crore rupees per year. This was in year 2018 when I was studying. अब तो और भी ज्यादा हो गया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. See, this is how you have to take challenge in your life. A blind student, जो blind बच्चे को मार डालो को बोले, waste ये बच्चा को बोले, that student took a challenge and how he succeeded in his life. Now tell me one thing, if a blind person can do so much, alhamdulillah we are all fine, right? Can we not do? We can also do it, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If he can do it, you can also do it? Yes, inshallah, you can also do it, right? जब ब्लाइंड बच्चा कितना अचीवमेंट कर देगा तो हमें अच्छा ही ना, हमें आप भी अचीवमेंट कर सकते हैं, right? That's where I'm telling you the mindset, what you think about your life, that matters a lot. Yeah? Now, we'll show you one video about. I want to show you Srikanth Bulla's video. इसमें voice play होगा. आता क्या? Voice connect कर दो. Just listen to his speech. How beautifully he speaks. Now. USB में ठीक है just this yeah correct yes
No permission.
yeah जी हाँ हाँ निकाल कर दीजिए नो प्रॉब्लम हाँ यस
Some people create better world, make people happy, so that we can create a fairer and clean.
yes It has poor and physically challenged people. He has also worked with APJ Abdul Kalam sir. This was in 2018. 50 crore rupees worth.
So I would want to leave you today with these 3 lessons. Show compassion and make people rich. Remove loneliness from people and thereby you can remove poverty. Loneliness itself is the big poverty, so remove it from people, create better world, make people happy, so that we can create a fairer and cleaner world to live. And the third lesson is very simple, right?
Now listen carefully what is
When you intend to do something good, you will be the first one to get benefited. Like you have seen in all my encounters, right? I was the first one to get benefited.
now.
So do something good, create fairer and cleaner world for all of us to live in. Because
Yeah, listen to me.
world looks up to me and says, Srikanth, you can do nothing. But I look at the world and say, I can do anything. With that, thank you very much.
Yes. So, what did he say at the end? World looks up to me and says, Srikanth, you can do nothing. But he replies to the world, he says, I can do anything. That is the attitude we should have. Yeah? Anything means good things, okay? By anything, you can good things, okay? Yeah. Now, we'll get into the core part of it. जो हमारा main है, core part of it. I was was doing the analysis of 10th class results. Okay. Compared many years ka results I was checking. I saw the percentage, passing percentage, failing percentage. Then I observed most of the students are failing in maths and science. This is what was common observation. Yeah. You see here other subjects, but comparatively maths and science they are failing. Many years results I took. I saw mainly maths and science. Why they are maths? Do you also agree? Okay, how many of you agree maths is difficult? Be honest, that's okay. Oh, very good. No problem. Yes. Science? Oh, so many people say science is difficult, is it? Acha. Okay. Social? Kannada also. Yeah, I know. I know. Our community Urdu में बात ना ज़्यादा. कन्नड़ा जाते हैं, बात आना ला कन्नड़ा जाते हैं, इंटरैक्ट आना ला कन्नड़ा हेलिंग करते हैं. Yeah? Don't worry. I'll give you. Maths, I will tell you about my experience. Until 10th standard preparatory examination, I was damn scared of maths and science. Maths and science lecture है तो खत्म. I used to get so tense. I have never answered one question also properly. Till preparatory, I am telling you honestly. It was very difficult for me. कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा. कुछ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम करते, कुछ ये थ्योरम करते, ज्योमेट्री करते, क्या कि हाइपोटेन्यूज करते, ये कहाँ से आ रही है? ट्रिग्नोमेट्री करते. I was never able to understand sin theta, cos theta. What is this? कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आता था. Yeah, it was very difficult. Science was also very difficult. Maths was too difficult for me. Preparatory examination. For you, preparatory is over, is it? No. Preparatory exam, my maths score was just pass. Just pass. Okay. At that time, my mindset was, I am going to fail this examination. That time, till preparatory, I knew maths I am going to fail. Maths and science mostly fail होगा भी. घर में इज्जत चले जाती है. कुछ लिया हम क्या काम से. We got study holidays. Do you also get study holidays? Yes. Study holidays came. I took the textbook and started. क्या है देख डालेंगे maths. अब chapter second chapter क्या arithmetic progression. तो सब था A2 minus A1 previous minus latest minus they did it. Okay, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. If all those two are common difference, then it is arithmetic progression. Correct? Yes, sir. ये touch क्या है? Well, that's it, is it? If the common difference is same, it is arithmetic progression. Otherwise, it is not AP. Do you also have something like that? Yes, sir. Check whether this is AP or not. Touch क्या arithmetic progression का तो okay. Then I went at formula for nth term. ये n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us see what is this a. A means first term करके था. Okay, first term. So 2, 4, 6, 8 means 2 is a. First term. Okay. N means number of terms. Whatever they are asking. Nth term, 10th term, 5th term. Okay, n means question itself they are given. 5th term 5. Okay, understood. Then D. D means common difference. Okay. सब कुछ भी क्वेश्चन में है ना. फिर ये करने का क्या मुश्किल था? I tried. So a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The AP was, for example, I am just showing you an example now. For example, so in this, can you tell me what is a? 2. Very good. A means 2 plus what is okay? Suppose the question is what is the 10th term leading? 10th term. What is the 10th term? So what is n? 10. 10. So 10 minus 1 into d. What is d here? 2. I realize this. 2 plus 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 into 2? 18. So 18 plus 2? 20. So a 10 is equal to 20. I did this. That's such क्या maths. They have given the definition. They have given the formula. They have given example. We have to just follow that. That's it. Nothing great we have to do here. Just follow what is there. I followed. I got the answer. But the example I solved first. Then I went to exercises. Something exercises will be there, right? I solved the first problem. And last you have exercise answers. For example, 1.1 answer, 1 is A, 2, like that. I saw the answer, answers were correct. Correct each and answer. Maths is easy, step by step, like that I started going. I understood, Alhamdulillah, maths is easy, I will definitely pass. I understood, science also I went, same mindset, science is also easy. Oh, क्या अभी tension ले सकते हैं? I understood, I am going to score first class marks. And 1998 was my SSLC pass out. Okay, आप शायद पैदा भी नहीं कर रहे। We scored high first class marks. टेलीविजन पर हमारा फोटो सभी आया, वीडियो आया, MLA was putting silver medal to me. We had something called as cable TV channels. Cable TV was there. So all my relatives saw, Sadat, congratulations, क्या बच्चा हमारा टीवी पे होगा, मेडल डाल दिया, MLA, फुल खुश हो गए। वो ना, ये मेडल डाल दिया ना। Just go back, flashback. Until preparatory, what was my mindset? Maths. Well, wrong case, correct? But after I started sitting and spent some time with maths, I understood it is actually easy. I scored very good marks. I went to first PUC. First test sir gave maths. I scored 49 out of 50. 49 out of 50. I still remember. The surname was S. Siddaramaiah. Siddaramaiah was. ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರ ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯ ನೀನು ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ನೀನು क्या ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಈಸಿ ಆಗೋ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಕರ್ಕೋಬೇಡ. I had reached that confidence already. Okay, this is actually easy. It's not difficult. It is me. I was thinking it is difficult. Actually, it is easy. That's where I realized the studies are easy. तब से समझ में आया पढ़ना लिखना क्या भी मुश्किल है, बहुत easy. I went on completing PUC again first class. Again then went to engineering first class. MBA also first class. All of them आराम से. Nothing became difficult to me. What was the change? Did any farishta came and gave something to me? What did I think? Mindset. I just changed my mindset. Okay? This is not difficult. I can do it. I cannot करता था तब तक. I can't करके था. बाद में change क्या होगा? I can do it. आगा. Alhamdulillah, I went on. If I have to still continue, if I have to tell you, I worked with almost all European countries. You tell me any European country name, I have worked with them. USA I worked, Canada I worked. I got the confidence. Life में क्या आदमी मुश्किल नहीं है. हमें दिल में हिम्मत ला लेना, नियत कर लेकर भरोसा रख के जाते रहना है. I succeeded, alhamdulillah. Why I am telling you this is, many of you might be at my level. Probably, I don't know. You might be all intelligence, but still many of you might be scared of the subjects. That okay, how do I do this subject in the exam? Do not worry, things are actually easy. We only think difficult. Yeah? What I was thinking, maths का तो क्या? मेरी आत्मा तुझे हमेशा सताएगी. This is what I was thinking. This was my thinking. Yeah, what is maths? प्रिपरेटरी तक ये था तो मेरा थिंकिंग, मैं कब एक भी हिस्सा है आत्मा छोड़ देनी मुझे यार, नया हिस्सा मेरा वही खत्म कर दो सिर्फ या आप में भी किसी को कभी फीलिंग आया है क्या ये? यस, प्रॉब्लम आया होगा कभी कभी. कोई ट्रिग्नोमेट्री देख के आया होगा, किसी को ज्योमेट्री देख के आया होगा, किसी को लीनियर पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन देख के आया होगा. पॉसिबल. या डोंट थिंक दिस इज एक्चुअली इजी. या डू नॉट वरी. डोंट थिंक दैट ओनली आइंस्टाइन हैज अ ब्रेन. You are also blessed with a brain. Don't think only Isaac Newton had a brain. You also have the brain. They used it for this study. If you also use it, you will also get. That's it. As simple as that. ठीक है? Use करना होता है. सबको देखना है. Don't worry. Yeah. So, the maths is actually not आत्मा. ये समझ में आगे बात. It is actually easy. ऐसा कभी आत्मा सताने की आत्मा नहीं है करके. So this is a common thing which is called as mathophobia. Phobia means fear. Fear of maths. Many students have this fear of maths. Just a fear. डर होता है उनको कि मैथ्स डिफिकल्ट है, हालांकि वो रियल में नहीं है. फियर मींस फॉल्स एविडेंस अपीयरिंग रियल. इट इज फॉल्स. देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट. दुनिया में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हमें सोच ले रहे के डर है, हम सोच ले रहे हैं कि डर है. बहुत लोगों को क्या होता, ड्यूप्लेक्स घर रहा तो माड़ी को गोंगी थोड़ा वहीं कहता फील होता. ड्यूप्लेक्स इफ इट इज देयर स्पेशली दे विल फील somebody is there. There is nobody is there. They are imagining. You are imagining false images के somebody is there. नाइट ड्राइव करते हो, अल्लाह ऊपर अंडर ब्रिज में जा रहा हूँ, व्हाइट साड़ी वाले यूज करके चुका है. In our place also we have a big railway bridge. वहाँ पे क्रॉस करते दो तीन, मैं जो ना कुछ वहाँ व्हाइट साड़ी वाले रहती हैं. और व्हाइट साड़ी वाले तुम्हारे दिमाग में नहीं सब होता चाहिए, वैसा क्या भी नया है बजा तो मैं कर दूँ क्या? Okay? काली साड़ी. Okay? All these things are our imaginary things. This fear is imaginary. It is false. Fear is false. Okay? False है सब चीज को आप कहीं डर नहीं. What is true is your confidence, your intelligence. You have that. That is truth. Go with your truth now. Why are you behind false? Why are you bothered about that? Don't worry about that. ठीक है? Remove that thing. निकाल देना दिमाग से. Yeah? Yes. Now, let us get into some. What is this topic? Very good. Very good. For example, so I am going to teach you some topics. Just I'll give you an idea how actually you can remember. These things are actually easy. Now, intersecting lines, coincident lines, parallel lines. You remember, right? Yes. You will get a question on this also, right? You will be given equation. Find out whether what type of lines. That is one thing. One more thing. How many solutions will get question? Correct? One solution, many solutions, no solutions. Right? Now, let us imagine. You go to hotel. For example, morning I went to one hotel. The Chariot, Brigade Road. One hotel was there. I went. Brigade Road. I thought, so who expensive होगा तो क्या हिस्सा है ये तो. But still I went. Let me try once. Let us see Brigade Road में hotel कैसी है देखेंगे. I went. I ordered one idli, one vada. Huh? One idli I ordered. Okay. I ordered idli vada. But for your example, let us remember idli. How many idlis? I like chutney. He gave me lot of chutney. Okay? How much? Lot of chutney he gave. I asked him, pakoda idea करको. Said pakoda illa. Pakoda illa sir. तो बोले. Let us recap quickly. How many idlis? One. Chutney? Lot of chutney. Pakoda? Pakoda illa करको बोला. कन्नड़ा में मजा आता. Pakoda illa. जो नेटिव लैंग्वेज में मजा आता नहीं वो इंग्लिश में मजा नहीं आता. Pakoda illa. Illa, no? Okay. Now, let us quickly recall. Can we relate this I to the idli ka I to intersecting lines ka I? Intersecting lines, what is the first line? First word? I. First letter I. Correct? Intersecting lines. Coincident lines, what is the first letter? C. Chutney ka bhi first C. Parallel lines ka first letter? P. Pakoda ka bhi P. Okay, now. Idli how many? One. Incident lines, intersecting lines, how many solutions? One solution. Correct? One solution. Coincident lines, how many solutions? Many solutions. Chutney kata? Many. Balla ka lot of chutney, right? Now, pakoda? Illa. Parallel lines the solution? तो कैसे रिलेट करना? इडली चटनी पकोड़ा. एग्जाम में जब जाती है आपको तब कंफ्यूज नहीं होता. इंटरसेक्टिंग आई लिखते क्या लिखते? हाउ मेनी सॉल्यूशंस? इडली लिखना है. सर बोल तो ये बंद इडली करते. व्हाट यू राइट? वन सॉल्यूशन. हाउ मेनी सॉल्यूशंस करो? For coincident lines, how many solutions? Many solutions. For parallel lines, how many solutions? Easy? इस तरह से आप रिलेट करके पढ़े तो आपको इजी होता. Because these things are easy for you. Otherwise, if you sit and take the book 10 times, incident lines, one solution, coincident lines, many solutions, parallel lines, no solution, confused हो जाते हैं. When you go to the exam, incident को one था की, many था की, no था, confusion. इसका उसे उसका ऐसे लिखवा जाता. Many times it happens. Now, but you will not forget because you know idli is how many? One. Pakka you know that. Correct? Pakoda kato? Yulla kato malum pakka. Got it? Like this you should relate. Aisa relate karna. Whatever things you like, you relate it to them. You can relate to Shira, Hala, anything. No problem. You relate whatever you like. Because I normally eat nashta is idli, I relate it to idli. That's it. Simple. Yeah, you got the point? This is how you should study. तब आपको क्या होता है? आसान हो जाता चीज़ आप समझने. अब ये बताओ, आपके फ्रेंड को आपको बात करने ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगेगा ताकि कौन के नया अननोन आदमी को ज्यादा इसी से बात करें? फ्रेंड को ना, जो ऑलरेडी आपको मालूम नहीं, उनके साथ आप इजी से बात करते हैं. नए आदमी को कहां से इजी से बात करते हैं आप? नहीं होता. करेक्ट? Same way, the things are which are familiar to you, you should relate it to them. Otherwise, these terminologies are new to you. Many terminologies are new. You will get confused. Easy नहीं होता आपके ब्रेन को. इडली चटनी पकोड़ा जल्दी समझ जाता है. Got the point? Yes. This is one way. Yeah. Now we go to some more. For example, trigonometry. How many of you feel remembering this trigonometric ratio is difficult? Yes? Yeah, I know. Practically, yes. I will give you an idea, don't worry. We'll come to identities also, don't worry. We will come. Okay, remember, now, sin theta means opposite to hypotenuse, correct? What is the first letter of opposite? O. What is the first letter of hypotenuse? H. मिलाकर बोलो. नहीं मिलाकर O H का होता है. सेपरेट O H होता है. Got it? Now cos theta का adjacent means what is the first letter? A. Hypotenuse means? रमजान में इफ्तार में मिलते ही बोलते खैमे का समोसा. Last one, tan theta. Opposite means O, adjacent means yes. Okay? ओए आज ये दावत है क्या मस्जिद में? शाम को दावत पे देंगे आ जाएगा चलिए. Getting the point? Now let us quickly go. Sin theta means O. Cos theta means tan theta means ऐसा याद रख लेना. अब sin theta का O H. O means H means cos theta का. A means H means tan theta का. O means A means that's it. You'll never get confused because sin theta is क्या short form? O. Cos theta tan theta ना जाना आदत है yeah, got it? Clear? This is how we should remember. Easy way याद रख लेना. Confusion नहीं होगा. Otherwise, many students get confused whether opposite by adjacent, opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent. They get confused. With this. Yeah. So be careful about it. Now we'll move to identities. How to remember identities? As of now, wait, Madi, one sec. Write down this shape, hexagon. Write down this hexagon first. Just follow what I say. Write down the hexagon first. Write down the hexagon. After writing the hexagon, write only this. Tan, sin, cos. Write only these three. Yeah. Write the hexagon shape and write only these three. First. Write the hexagon shape. Hexagon means 6. Yeah. In the middle you can write this 1. Number 1. Now observe. This is tan. What is the inverse of tan? Not right. So this opposite side you write off. You have written tan here. Opposite side write off. What is the inverse for sin? Cosecant. Opposite side write cosecant. Yeah. What is the inverse of cos? So opposite side you write sec. Yeah. You write this. Now observe carefully. You can shade this. This one you can shade. This one you can shade. This one you can shade. Shade only these. 1, 2, 3. Shade. Shade them. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to remember this. Now see here. In this 1, 2, 3. 3 are there. Elements are there. Start from the leftmost. Sign is there, right? Square करके बोलो. Sin square plus is equal to 1. 1 square is nothing but 1. Got it? First identity. Repeat once again. This is the first one. Now coming to the second one. You will start from the left side. 1 is there, cot is there, cosecant is there. Repeat. 1 is equal to. Got it? 1 plus cosecant. Second identity. Now third one will go. Start from the leftmost. Tan square. Got it? This is how we should remember. Hexagon लिख लिया तो आपको आइडेंटिटी कंफ्यूजन नहीं होता. Okay? Got it? Yes. Now you can write down the identity also. Write down the identity, sir. Yeah. Write down the identity. Done?
Yes, sir.
Easy? We'll move on to the, okay, what you should know, basics. You should know what is an even number, what is odd number. Itta malum rana. Just based on this you will get one question. One mark question will get, hands simple. Even number, odd number kada malum rana. What do you mean by even number? Divisible by 2, or you can say multiples of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 6, 8, like that. Which means multiples of 2 means the general form is 2n. This will be one question for you. ये दो में एक क्वेश्चन आता है. Chances are there you may get question. Okay? What is the general form of even number? It is 2n. Okay? So what do we mean by this 2n का मतलब क्या आपको? n की प्लेस में आप कौन सा भी नंबर डालो आपको even number आता है. For example, if I put 1, 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1, 1 number. 2. Right? 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6 like that. This is for even number. For odd number, same 2n plus 1 you should have. Yeah? For example, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. These two you should know, basic. Yeah? What is even number? 2n. What is odd number? Repeat. What is the even number general form? 2n. For odd number? 2n plus 1. Very good. This can be one question for you. Okay? Next. HCF, LCM on that you may get one question. The question will be, see, before going to that, see here. You answer the question now. Try to answer. Yeah? Yes? Which one? A? 2q plus 1? Correct? So here they are telling q is a positive integer. It means q can be 1, 2, 3 for any number. So as we discussed 2n plus 1. Same way 2q plus 1. This is one question from your model paper. Latest SSLC model paper they have given. Easy or difficult? Easy. समझ करो तो easy. Correct नहीं? Yeah. Now HCF LCM they will ask you a question. Write down this part. HCF into LCM is equal to, I think you might have done it, but still एक बार लिख लीजिए. HCF into LCM is equal to n1 into n2. n1 into n2. n1 into n2. Now see here, they have given the question already. HCF and LCM they have given 4 and 60. So HCF into LCM 4 into 60 is equal to n1. First number, what is the first number? From the question? 12. They are asking what is the second number, that is n2. What should we do? This 12 will come this side? Yes, correct. 4 into 60 divided by? Can I say 12 ones are 12 5s are? 4 into 5? 20 is the answer. That's it. If you know this concept, 1 or 2 marks very easily you can get. Yeah, simple. Sirf HCF into LCM is equal to n1 n2. ये मालूम बना. इतना मालूम रख. See here, you will get question like this. This point you should know. Okay? Yeah, this is one point. Now, various formula you should know. For example, nth term of AP they may ask you question, or sum of n terms they may ask you question. Then formula for section formula, distance formula, midpoint formula they may ask. Quadratic equation they may ask. Area, surface volume and area, that question they may ask. Yeah? ये सिर्फ फार्मूला सीख लेते हो आपको 2-3 मार्क्स इजी आ रहे. Just a formula. ठीक है? Yeah. Now we will move. See the question. One of the question. Nth term of the AP. Yeah, girls. It is C, right? C. It is A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n plus 1 into D नहीं है. Yeah. Be careful. Yeah. A plus n minus 1 into D. Yeah. This one, volume of a cone. D, correct. D 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. ऐसा फार्मूला मालूम रहा तो भी आपका है. Now. Very good. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So Pythagoras theorem is nothing but square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other squares. Right? Easy, as simple as that. पहले भाई को मदद करते थे हम ऐसे. स्क्वायर ऑफ द हाइपोटेनस, स्क्वायर ऑफ द हाइपोटेनस, ये कहीं का दिमाग सिंपल बोले तो बस ना आगे सोचा होगा, स्क्वायर ऑफ द हाइपोटेनस इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ द अदर हाइपोटेनस in a right angle triangle. Question equal no. How this will be useful actually? Because most of the students get a question, why are we studying this? ये पढ़कर फायदा क्या अपना? Yes, do you agree? Yes, sir. कहीं को पढ़ना है, पाइथागोरस अन्ना यहाँ के होते तो पाइथागोरस अन्ना ना हो theorem. You get right? We used to tell there is something called as gravitation. Who founded the gravitation term? How did he find? Apple fell down. We were thinking, instead of apple, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಬೀಳಬಾರ್ದು. Why apple एक बड़ा कोकोनट भी गिर जाता था उसके सिर पर. ना रहता न्यूटन, ना रहता ग्रेविटेशन का फार्मूला. हमने टेंशन नहीं रहता. तेरे को सोचते थे हमें. But we realize all these things are useful in future. They are actually useful in future, especially if you go to any competitive exam, because after 10th you are getting into competitive exam. आप कौन सी फील्ड में जाओ आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम फेस करना ही फेस करना. For all the competitive exams, including India's highest competitive exam, which is IAS examination, these theorems are useful. How it will be useful, I'll show you. Live example आपको दिखाता हूँ कैसा useful रहती है. Now, for example, okay, before getting to that, can you tell me what is the basic of this? This is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, correct? Yes. Hypotenuse, right? AC means hypotenuse. Now, tell me what is the correct answer for this? Yeah. ABC is which one? Yeah, because 90 degree opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse, right? Yes, perfect. Very good. Now, you will get a question in one of the UPSC examination like this. Listen carefully. I'll explain you. Don't worry about it. वो worry करो मत. वो ऐसे क्वेश्चन कैसा सॉल्व करना मैं आपको बता दूँ. Why I am showing you right now is आप ये मत सोचो कि कुछ अलग रहता पढ़ाई. आप जो पढ़ रहे हैं यही आएगा फ्यूचर में. ठीक है? I'll just give an example. Tell me which are these directions? What is this direction? Very good. What is this? Very good. What is this? This is? Yes. Super. Very good. Mashallah. Now, a person leaves home and walks 4 kilometers south. Suppose the person was here. He started south means, can I assume, going down? How many kilometers? 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers he goes south. Takes a left. From here he takes a left. Actually, there is a typing mistake. It is 3 kilometers. Turns for 3 kilometers. It is not 5. It is 3 kilometers he walks. The question is, what is the shortest distance between A and C? How?
3 square plus 4 square, 16 plus 9. Root
Very good. Give him a big round of applause. Very good. Wait over. Thank you. Full का हम नहीं है नहीं तो बहुत अच्छा. Still good. Give me a like that. Very good. Yeah, very good. See, this is how you should look at the questions. ऐसा सोचना. आप just दिमाग में मदद नहीं कर लेना के ऐसा लिखना करो. No. In IAS exam, you will get a question like this: 4 kilometers, 3 kilometers. What is the answer? Many of the degree students answer 7 because they will just simply 4 plus 3. 7. They have also studied Pythagoras, but they don't think it is Pythagoras theorem. But because I am telling you right now, you should remember when you get a question like this distance means you have to apply Pythagoras theorem and calculate. As he rightly said, 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 square plus 3 square is 9, 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So 5 will be the answer. They are also called as Pythagorean triplets. If you remember Pythagorean triplets, they are called. Yeah. If you remember this, you are able to solve many questions in future. आप सिर्फ समझ लेना है basic समझ लो. Nobody will ask you the theorem. Nobody will ask you the theorem. What have you understood from the theorem? That is important. Yeah. इसलिए. Yeah. Quickly remove. Yeah. Can stop there. Probability very easy. 0 to 1. That's it. This is very easy. Don't worry about it. Now tell me. A fair coin is tossed once. Find the probability of getting ahead. Very good. Brilliant. What about tail? Super. Brilliant. Very good. Next one. If it is numbers from 1 to 15, what is the probability of getting a prime number? Does not bear a prime number. Prime number नहीं रहना कर बोल रही. How will you solve? How will you solve this question? First tell me between 1 and 15 which is a prime number. Tell me.
2.
Very good. 2 then?
5.
Yeah? Yeah? Yes? 4, 5, 6 numbers are prime numbers. Look at the question. Which does not, they are telling, right? So it will be here. Somebody said that. That's 9 by 15. Very good. Good. It is 9 by 15, it is nothing but 3 by 5. You got it? So I think you are good at maths. That's why you are answering so fast. Very good. Do we have a maths teacher also here? Yes, sir. Clap for him, maths teacher. Very good. So you have good teachers, that's why you are answering so fast. Yeah? Good. I appreciate it. Good discussion. Yeah? Relax. Quickly. मेरी एनर्जी तुमने साइलेंट कराने में वेस्ट नहीं होना, तुमने समझाने में होना. करेक्ट? पानी पी लेती मैं पी लो कब टेंशन लेना बहुत सारा पानी पी ले तुम. नाउ क्विकली ये आईएएस एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन आपको दिखा क्या आप एक क्वेश्चन ऑब्जर्व करना. जस्ट ये नंबर्स ऑब्जर्व करो. प्राइम नंबर्स को रिलेट करना. प्राइम नंबर्स दे हैव टोल्ड इन द क्वेश्चन इट इज रिलेटेड टू प्राइम नंबर्स. या लुक एट द वन हु आंसर्स. लेट मी सी. You raise your hand if you are able to get. Yeah. How? It is related to prime number. Prime number. How? Who said 38? How? One second. Yeah. No guessing. You want to tell me logic. Where is it? No. Don't worry about the common difference. I'm telling you, look at the number and look at the prime numbers. That's it. Look at the prime number. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Okay, don't. I know because आप SSLC में ऐसे questions नहीं रहते तो इसलिए आप. One sec. Listen. Tell me, near to 14, which is the prime number? 13. 13 is the prime number. But here they have given 14, which means they have done plus 1. Prime number plus 1. What is the prime number after 13? 17. 17 plus 1? 18. What is the prime number after 17? 19. Plus 1? 20. What is the next prime number? 20. 23 plus 1? 44. Next prime number? 9. Plus 1? 19. Next prime number? 21. Plus 1? 32. अब आपको लॉजिक समझ में आ गया. प्राइम नंबर प्लस 1 करेंगे पता. अब what is the prime number after 31? 37 plus 1? 38. Option C, 38 is the answer. Logic समझ में आया आपको? This is from IAS examination. I'm giving you question. आप जो अब तक 10th standard में समझ को ही, अगर आप समझ को रहे तो प्राइम नंबर क्या होता है, आप आंसर कर सकते. Okay? Same thing goes with your science, social science, English also. If you are able to understand some concept, you can write the most toughest examination, that is IAS exam. Fine? Yeah. We'll move. Okay. This one can you observe? Quickly, observe करना खाली. Observe करेगा काफी है. Observe the question. Raise your hand if you are getting the logic. Observe the question. Observe the question. Just observe the numbers, that's it. Numbers observe करें तो काफी है. You can answer. Observe the unit digits. Observe the unit digits. You can answer. Yeah. What is the answer? How? So the unit digit is correct. Give him a big round of applause. I'm telling you, with some basic idea, you can solve the question. Basic idea रहा तो काफी है, आप solve कर सकती. That's why I wanted to show you these questions also. We'll move. This is from KAS examination. सिर्फ इतना पर आप आंसर कर सकते. What is this? Product of two numbers is 35 doctor. Look at the option. Commercial taxing. B. Correct? How? 5 into 7, 35. Correct? Easy. Give him a big round of applause. Commercial tax inspector का परसों हुआ examination. Many people are thinking ABCD कौन सा आंसर? Easy है ना? Basic आपका SSLC का basic knowledge होगा तो काफी है. आप आंसर कर सकते हैं. Now. Very correct. It is Shakuntala Devi. Why is she famous? Faster, right? Yes, yes, very good. Within a fraction of seconds, she used to stop. Yes, yes. We'll show you one video on her voice thing. Play. Look at one live example.
Just tell me how many digits it is, so that I can sort of program my mind, you see. How many digits by how many digits?
They're both 8 digits.
8-digit numbers.
Yes.
Okay, fine. I'll look at it once it is written down.
Such a big number, so she's out. Yeah.
Okay, now, the question is 2, 4, 5, 9, 3, 7, 2, 8 multiplied by 3, 8, 7, 2, 2, 1, 3, 6. Now tell me, Alex, you want me to give you the answer from this side to this side or this side to this side?
Go back.
I think let Chandrasekhar decide. Chandrasekhar, you want the answer from this side to this side or this side to this side?
No, we'll keep the unconventional method later on. Let's go with the conventional route first.
This way.
Yeah, we have enough problems.
Look at how fast she answers.
No, this way, this way.
Why don't we do it differently? What about the panel? Would you prefer the other way?
No, we should start from the left.
From this way. Right? Okay, I got the answer already. The answer is 9, 5, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 8, 0, 3, 6, 3, 0, 0, 8.
Amazing, right? This is amazing, right? See, such a big calculation she is able to do so fast. Yeah? What do you think? Isn't this amazing? Yes, right? Do you also want to learn few things? Then you can also solve it faster. थोड़े tricks आपको बता के देता हूँ. Yeah? Inshallah, I'll just show you some tricks where you can also solve. For example, I'll show it on the board now. सर आपके पास calculator है, मोबाइल use कीजिए मैं solve करता हूँ. Now look here. I'm going to show you a trick of how to multiply with 11. First, just observe. Later, you can write down. I'll tell you. Okay? Later, we can write down. We will practice here itself. You will also solve. Fast. 5 seconds में solve करने का सिखा दो. For example, tell me one 2-digit small number. पहले 2-digit का normal number. 12. Okay. I'll go one by one. पहले इधर से एक बार, इधर से एक ले, उधर से कैसा बोलेंगे? Yeah. 12. Okay. Look here. 11 into I'm going to do now. 12, right? Is it 132? Sir, बोलिए. 132, correct? Yeah, I'll explain you. This side, I will explain that.
24.
30, no, 11 का multiply करूँगा, 14, okay, look here. Correct, into 14. No problem, into 14. 11 into 14. 11 into 14.
Yes.
154, correct? आप इन बचन बोलिए, correct है? I will explain it. One side, what number? 23. 23 will go 253. Sir, check कीजिए. 253. बोलिए सर. माइक पे बोलिए सर. 253. This side, what number? Small number. 81. 81. I'll go here. Look here. 81. 891.
Correct.
891 into 11, same into 11. Correct. I'll explain. What happens when you get a big number? I'll explain you that also. How to solve this also I'll explain. Don't worry. Look here. आपको मैं समझाता हूँ अब. Note कर लियो ठीक से. आप एक solve करना. ठीक है? Look here. What you should do is this rule is multiplied for 11. When you multiply any number with 11. Okay? See for example 12 is there. Write 1 here. 2 here. Add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2? 132. Is it? Look here. देखो 14. 1, 4. 1 plus 4? 5. मालूम है? 23 का. 2, 3. 2 plus 3? 5. 8, 1. 8 plus 1? 9. बच्चे देखेंगे या 11 into 22 242 correct 242 right very good now 11 into 15 माशाल्लाह क्या स्पीड है मेरे बच्चे ओके 11 into 33 माशाल्लाह 3 वेरी गुड जरा बड़ा नंबर दे दो टफ नंबर दे दो नहीं या रेडी 11 into 72 इजी समझ में आया इजी है 11 into आ गया तो ये ट्रिक यूज करना अब इसमें जरा नंबर में कैरी आता तब क्या करना वो भी दिखाता देख लो फॉर एग्जांपल ओके डिड यू नोट डाउन दिस इज इट क्लियर दिस मेथड ओके वेरी गुड नाउ sometimes you get a carry for some numbers for example look here you have say 11 into 56 observe here carefully don't do it just look here you will write 5 you will write 6 6 plus 5 I got 2 digit now correct I cannot write 2 digit I will write 1 digit here 1 gets carried here 1 plus 5 so this will be 616 is it correct sir 11 into 56 correct correct got it carry आया तो एक करना और एक बार रिपीट कर तू देख लो important I will write 5 I will write 6 6 plus 5 11 I will write only 1 here 1 carry so 1 plus 5 becomes again 6 okay this you should write now I give you a number can you try for say 46 you try very good 4 and 6 you wrote correct 6 plus 4 10 0 you wrote 1 carry 1 plus 4 5 5 0 okay yeah only with that this technique is only with 11 बाद में एग्जाम में इनको 38 रखना करो बहुत बढ़िया मैं आया करो okay each one of them have different tricks for you as of now इतना समझ लो please yeah this is just to give you an idea now I give you one more 11 into say 57 करो correct very good one more number 11 into 93 yes sir very good 1023 आप बताइए इजी है नहीं है हेल्पफुल है ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज आई शकुंतला देवी मिस भी ऐसा स्लोली एक सीख लेगा ना ट्रिक सीखे दिस इज ए बिगिनिंग फॉर you you can also start and do this correct now tell me one thing before learning the trick you used to take long time before learning the trick at least 40 seconds के 1 minute कभी होता था मल्टीप्लाई करना है now how many seconds you are taking hardly 5 seconds sir your children are wonderful sir in mathematics I'm showing you one number see how they find they will solve now without sir the faster than sir calculating calculator they will solve I'll tell you a number are you ready you want to show it to principal sir yeah 11 into 23 11 into 41 correct 11 into 81 very good easy sir bachche you are very nice sir mashallah good so like this you have to practice okay one more trick और एक सीखा बोलियो one more yeah quickly yes quickly one more for example any number which is ending with 5 for example we'll go with smaller number for example 15 का squares आपको होना just look here see 225 right so 5 into 25 1 2 is 225 now suppose if 25 means 625 right Tell me what is for 75? I tell you. Look here. I will tell you the trick. Look. See here. 5 into 5, 25. 1 is there. What is the next number of 1? 1 into 2? Hey, 1 into 3 get up. No, listen. Follow. Listen to the teacher, others have told you. Follow the instructions. 1 is there, next number is 2. 1 2s are 2, 225. 2 is there, next number is 3. 2 3s are 6. Same way 7 is there, what is the next number? 8. 7 is the 56. Yeah? What is easy? Tell me what is for 45? 2 0? 4 5 20. 2025? Like this, there are many tricks in mathematics which if you learn, it will become more easy for you. Okay? As of now, these are the basic things I wanted to share with you. Yes, we will move now. We will move. अच्छा माशाल्लाह yeah, very good. The hits kare now we fast answer kare. That's what I tell you. That's the difference Quran brings to you. That's the difference. That's the barakat in your intelligence always. Mashallah. Great. Yeah. We'll move now. We'll move to science. You have physics, chemistry, biology. Ohm's law में क्या भी है? Current is proportional to voltage होता है. I is proportional to V. You should remember this triangle. See here, I is proportional to V or I is equal to V by R. ये मालूम रखना. कैसा ये समझ सकते हैं देखो. If you want to calculate voltage after writing this triangle, voltage is nothing but I into R. If you want to calculate current, V by. If you want to calculate resistance, V by I. इतने पॉइंट में आपको 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आता है. इतना समझ ले. Current is proportional to voltage, Ohm's law definition. Yeah. Then based on the formula, you will get questions. Resistors. They will give you, say for example, they will give you current and resistance. They will ask you what is the voltage or potential difference. They will ask you, or they will give you voltage and resistance. Ask you about the current. Out of these 3 elements, 2 elements will be given in the question. You have to calculate one more. That's it, simple. 3 में 2 नहीं पड़ती भाई, ये calculate करना. Got it? It is easy. Don't worry, it is easy. Yeah. Simple concept. Higher the resistance, lower will be the current. है देखो, resistance का मतलब opposition होता है. Current flow हो रहा है, oppose कर रहे हैं आप ज्यादा oppose करें तो current कम flow. Simple बात. ज्यादा resistance और current क्या होता? Resistance कम हुआ तो current. ये point पर आपको एक वन मार्क क्वेश्चन आता है. Resistance and current relationship. Yeah, you should know that. Now observe carefully. Look at the question. Try to answer the question. Look at the question carefully. Less.
Instead of laughing, you just focus.
Why it is there? Because the question is they're asking which has very less electric conductivity. कम जाना करंट का तो बोल रहे. करंट कम रहना तो रेजिस्टेंस क्या रहना? ज्यादा रहना, हाई रहना. किसमें है? 6.84 has highest resistivity. That's why it has lowest conductivity. ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस है आपका कम करेगा. Simple one. Yeah. This basic point you will get a question. This basic point. Yeah. Likewise, you have chemistry. You have reactions. Combination reactions you have, decomposition, correct? Then you have single displacement, double displacement, simple things again, reactions you have. Let's move to one more point. Now, observe what could be this situation in your family. What? Yeah, father, correct. What is the father getting? Grocery is getting, correct? Grocery plus all the required, yeah, vegetables, everything, whatever is required, Khaima required, everything, Abba is going and getting from the market, right? What does mother do usually at home? She creates a delicious food and gives it to everyone, right? Now, how do we relate this to biology? Xylem. Xylem transports water and minerals from roots to leaves. Leaves are the kitchen of the plant. Leaves can produce also food. It transports the ration to leaves. Phloem transports food from leaves to all the parts of the plant. अब यहाँ बोलो आपको father का रोल कौन सा है? So xylem is daddy, phloem is mommy, or you can say xylem is abba and phloem is mommy. If you remember that much, xylem and phloem becomes very easy for you. Xylem का क्या दिमाग में आ रहा आपको? Correct? ले लेगा तो लीव्स तक देना, क्या लिख देना? प्लांट में क्या लग देना? सो मिनरल वाटर से लाभ देना. करेक्ट? फ्लोएम का काम क्या? फूड को क्या करना? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना सब जगह. फ्लोएम हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. सिंपल है, याद रख लो. xylem फ्लोएम कंफ्यूजन नहीं होता आपके. Like this you should relate. Yeah, will move. Now, this question has come in the latest one of the examination. Yeah? Very good, perfect. Covalent bond, right? Sharing of electrons का तो simple है definition covalent bond. तो ये एग्जाम में लेटेस्ट एग्जाम में कुछ क्वेश्चन द सेम क्वेश्चन they ask. The reason why I am showing you this IAS KS question is whatever you are studying now 10th standard, if you just simple understand the basic, you are going to clear any big examination. You can become IAS officer, IPS officer, commercial tax inspector, any big officers you can become just with the basics of high school. Yeah, inshallah. Say inshallah. Yeah, that's what I am showing you. Now social science. You have something like character. सर कितने हैं ना सर कौन से सर याद रख लेना इतने इसमें नहीं पता. एक कोड एक आइडिया, one of the ideas is code. How many of you watch cricket? IPL you have seen? There are team called as Delhi Daredevils, if you remember. Yeah, we'll just see here. Delhi Daredevils. T for toss we will say here. आप कैसा हो तो याद रख सकते हैं. Just for example, Bangalore की टीम क्या है नाम? RCB. As of now RCB here. Okay, RCB you remember, no problem. Who is this guy? Now Delhi Daredevils की मैच टॉस विन गए. Delhi Daredevils अपोजिट कौन थे? सो RCB में ओपनर कौन आया? ये याद रखना. अब जाइए ऐसा का तो क्या? Delhi Daredevils D. What is first D? You can relate any D का नाम यहाँ पे D को 1 by 1. D means one more D means T means R means C means then P means one more C means G means A means I means L means easy है, याद रख लेना है. But ये proof कैसा होता है? तो without seeing we should tell. Let us try without seeing. First we will tell the code. Code repeat करो. Okay. DDT RCP Chris Gale C Gale. Okay. First D. One more D. Very good. T. R. C. P. One more C. G. A. I. L. You are big round of your applause. Easy है याद रखने का. Hardly we took 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes. You are able to remember. This is one of the technique. When you have lot of points, just remember first letter of each point. Make a code according to you. Whatever you want, make a code. CB means chicken biryani also you can make. Whatever you like, you make a code. That will help you in examination. Immediately you can recall very easily. What do you think? You can recall? Yes, inshallah. That was this. Now, how do you remember these wars? We will go to this wars also. यहाँ पे मीटिंग आता, वार्स आता, करेक्ट? ये पहले आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं. Now, yeah, we'll come to that. For example, one hint I'll give you. Do you remember Carnatic wars were there? 3 Carnatic wars were there. There will be one question on the treaty. Which was the treaty? Karko पूछती question. Yeah. For example, first treaty was. Second treaty was. Third was. How do you remember this? First one को सा, second one को सा, third one को सा. We will create a simple code. First क्या लिखिए आपको? चपला दिखती है आपको, okay? So here our student is wearing chapla and he has gone to one. मैंने पॉन्डिचेरी तक जाना तो चपला में लगा पड़ जाती है. wear chapla and go to pond. In the pond, what is this? अब बोलो फर्स्ट कार्मेटिक वर्ग की ट्रीटी क्या चप्पल चप्पला कर लिखा एक्चुअली चप्पल करेक्ट सेकेंड ट्रीटी क्या थर्ड ट्रीटी क्या ओके ऐसा लिंक कर लेना तुम्हें स्टोरी तब आपको इजी से याद रहता हिस्ट्री भी ऐसा स्टोरी कार्टून देखिए एक एग्जाम है लेटेस्ट एग्जाम में आया क्वेश्चन आप देखिए you didn't even take 30 seconds you answered it fast third kinetic was means you big one studying is easy easy है enjoy करने को पड़े तो easy है टेंशन ले पड़े तो फायदा नहीं है ठीक है ऐसा पढ़ना आपको now can I have sir can I take another 5 minutes is it okay बच्चा को बोर नहीं होना ये बात में usually see I tell you everywhere I finish within 2 hours because of your cooperation I'm going little another 5-10 minutes yeah because you're cooperating well quickly can I one volunteer come here one jaldi jaldi am fast those who have not come कौन नहीं है no very good Hamza come here very good mashallah so one game for the boys next one will be for the girls also yeah spot the 5 differences two diagrams I'll show you you have to find 5 differences आप point करना कहाँ पे 5 differences yeah observe both the figures you can also observe
कंपटीशन में आगे एक बच्चा बताया आप सब जानते हैं ठीक है इनको बोलने का मौका
Virat Kohli has come to the field only he will play audience will only clap okay audience will not play wait yes come on yeah good 1 very good 2 super clouds very good 3 okay differences very good give him a big round of applause very good observation skills this is observation one for the girls who will come fast voluntarily others should not push come mashallah very good come here it's all here yes others will keep quiet others please do not make noise yeah yes you can stand here no problem yeah okay ready yes others will keep quiet okay teacup is it okay very good one
cloud over there cloud
okay this one cloud okay 2 which one
बेटा आप लोग का बोलो
others keep quiet
that file it have been half covered with the second yeah this side sir
this side this one you can take one ये पकड़िए सर बीच का center show me
there
okay perfect very good 3 one more you can see you can take it one more
label on the book
yes perfect very good one more फाइन हो गया देख बोलो स्काई में रखा क्या वो स्काई में रखा क्या very good why I showed you this is these things trigger your brain ये ट्रिगर करती हैं आपको ब्रेन उसे कभी तब क्या करना ऐसी चुकी एक्टिविटीज आप करते रहना कभी माइंड क्या होता है एनर्जेटिक होता है आपका गेम होता है माइंड इट विल लाइक यू ओके इट लाइक रीडिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स या So start. So just wanted to show you now. Okay, now how do we learn? Always writing is 4 times better. सिर्फ पढ़ने से एक बार लिख लेना आपको ज्यादा हेल्प होगा मेमोरी याद करने के लिए. मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट में एक बार लिखना, नहीं तो आप 10 बार पढ़ने से बेहतर है लिखना. दैट इज वन थिंग. टीचिंग समवन हेल्प्स यू. अगर कौन कभी वीक है उनको पढ़ाना या अपने दोस्त को सुनाओ पढ़ के मैं ये समझ कर हूं, so you just teach your friend, teach someone that will help you a lot. So first thing is writing, then next one is teaching someone else. These two are very important. We should have clarity. Carnatic wars, it is between British and French. They are the main enemies. Within them again there are other Indians involved openly. Correct? Battle of Plassey means who is involved? And Sirajuddaula was also there. You should know that. ऐसा clarity रहना आपको बस. है तो काफी है. Story आपको याद रह जाती है. Yeah. Now, day before the exam, you should have all the documents. Your admission ticket, your voter ID, or server. You will have Aadhaar card, school ID card. You will have. All those documents should be ready. Your stationery should be ready. Your bag should be ready so that in the morning just pick the bag and leave. That's it. सुबह में ढूंढना नहीं admission ticket कहाँ है तेरे को? Many students come to the examination house searching for the admission ticket. They don't have the admission ticket. ऐसा माजरा आपके साथ नहीं होना. पहले से रहना. Yeah. In advance you should have. Because school is going to issue admission card in advance. एक bag exam के लिए prepare करके रख देना. उठाने को जाते रहना. Okay? Yeah. Now, you should know your exam center. कहाँ है पता रहना आपको. Yeah. All this in advance. Don't keep anything for the last moment. Yeah. Now, on the exam day, take a deep breath. Tell yourself. What you tell? Today is my day. It's my day. And I will do it inshallah. दिल में बोलना. क्या बोलती? Today is my day. It's my day. And I will do it inshallah. इस एटीट्यूड के साथ अगर आप एग्जाम को गए तो इंशाल्लाह यू डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू अचीव सक्सेस. ये पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड के साथ एग्जाम देगा. यस. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इन द एग्जाम हॉल? You should have a glance through the question papers. एक बार glance करना. Why you should glance? Because sometimes in the beginning there might be tough questions, but in the middle and last there will be lot of easy questions. Many students look at the tough questions, they get scared. This question I don't know what to do. एक बार डर गए तो next आंसर आपको नहीं आता. अगर आपको आंसर मालूम रहता भी नहीं आता. इसीलिए पहले ये glance करना. Whichever is easy for you, you are comfortable. Write that first. There is no compulsion that you should write first question first. No, nothing like that. Whichever you are fine, you can write that. Because first impression is best impression. Initially, whatever you write in the 2-3 pages, the evaluator will observe your answers. अगर नीड से है तो उनके दिमाग में बैठ जाता this student is good student. I should give him good marks. ये दिमाग में आ जाता first चीज में. So future में जो questions आप attend करती, even if there are some mistakes, they will forgo those mistakes and they will give you marks. If your image is good, if your impression is good in the beginning. If your impression is bad in the beginning itself, some tough questions you did which you don't know properly, you did the what you call गीचा बचा करके बोल दी पूरा residual दे देना ऐसा पूरा. अगर ऐसा कर दिया तो आपको उनके इमेज में आ जाता this student does not know anything. So you may lose lot of marks. Okay, don't do that mistake. Answer the questions which you know very well. First impression you have to create always, right? Yeah. First impression. No negative marks for wrong answers. अगर गलत करे तो भी negative क्या भी नहीं करते आपको. Attend all the questions maximum. But the priority should be first whichever you are comfortable, which you can do very well, 100% वो पहले करो. 50% answers कर सकते वो करो. जो मालूम भी नहीं है for example, some students don't know how to solve this distance formula, section formula. They don't know. Let us assume they don't know. But still they should write the formula at least. At the end. क्या लिखना? At least formula लिख देना. वो formula के marks मिल जाएगा. At the end you should give, try. They will think, okay, this student has at least tried बोल के, out of 3 marks or 4 marks, they will give 1 or 2 at least. Arithmetic progression, some application oriented question will come, 4 marks. Even if you don't know, write the formula for arithmetic progression. Nth term, this is the formula. Sum of nth term, this is the formula. Try to do it at the end, which you don't know. Okay? So like that you have to manage. Okay? And after the exam, do not discuss this with your friend. Don't come and discuss. क्या लिखा आंसर तुम्हारा? मैं ये लिखा नहीं. तुम्हें कौन सा लिखा? मैं बी लिखा नहीं कहते हो. और एक फ्रेंड सी लिखे कहते हैं. अब तीनों भी टेंशन है. कौन सा करेक्ट करता हो? Because always we think our friend is correct. I am wrong करता आधा दिमाग में. शायद मैं ही गलती करता ले आना आज तक तो वो टेंशन आ जाता दिमाग में. Don't worry about that. Don't think about that. Okay? Do not discuss after the exam. Now, why do we get tension? Suppose you go to a new country, suddenly you are gone. आपका mindset कैसा होता? टेंशन होता? नई जगह को कैसा? वो शिवाजी नगर में गए तो चौक को? इधर सवेरा में चाय पिएगा, उधर खामान खाएगा, इधर शीखान खाएगा, इधर गुलशन पे जाकर शॉपिंग करेगा. You know that very well. You know that. You will enjoy actually. You will not feel scared. But if you are in a new country, you will get scared. Same thing happens with your exams. If you are aware of the syllabus, if you are aware of the topics, you will not get scared. आप क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, परित्यागरस theorem, state and prove परित्यागरस theorem 5 marks. I know it very well. You will get the confidence. ये मालूम है मुझे, क्योंकि मैंने पढ़ा है. Nth term of AP, I know it very well. इडली चटनी पकौड़ा, I know it very well. करो. You will answer the questions in a positive way. That's why prepare yourself in advance. Yeah, things will be easy for you. Yeah. So at the end, after the exam, okay. Now, after the exam, what happens? I'll tell you. Because I meet a lot of students after the exams, they have scored very well. But what about their behavior? Your behavior matters a lot in the society. Percentage to some extent it will help, but your personality will help you a lot. लाइफ में सक्सेस होना तो पर्सनालिटी अच्छी रहना. पर्सनालिटी का तो ये नहीं सलमान खान के साथ बॉडी बिल्डिंग में बन. How you behave in the society? Is your behavior good? Are you good? Are you giving respect to your parents, relatives, your brothers, sisters? That matters a lot in your life. ठीक है? मैं भी बहुत मास्टर डिग्री सभी किया हूँ, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को देखा हूँ, मेरे फ्रेंड्स को देखा हूँ. कौन सक्सेसफुल को मुझे पूछे लाइफ में जिसका अच्छा बिहेवियर है उन्हें सक्सेसफुल इंसान. समझे बात? बिहेवियर मैटर करता लाइफ में. आपके सोसाइटी में आपका बिहेवियर कैसा है. So be a good child to your parents, be a good friend, be a good neighbor. Help your parents even when they get old. That's it. Allah has told us, right? Rabbi, Ramuma, Tama, Rabbi, Sahira. Correct? ये मैटर करता because 10th तक बच्चे एक लेवल में होती हैं. PU से जाते ही विंग्स आ जाती बच्चों को. बच्चे सुनते नहीं, बातें सुनते नहीं पेरेंट्स के. They don't listen to parents. I am seeing parents come to me crying. ये एक बच्चे का एग्जांपल बोलता हूँ मैं आपको. Very brilliant he was. Passed 10th standard. I told him you will become IPS officer. You have the talent, beta. आप IPS officer बनती बजा. But he started scooter, bike का शौक लग गया. I saw him one day. He was going so fast in the bike. The one person is standing next to me is telling, ऐसे बच्चे जिंदे रहे तो भी रहने से बेहतर मर जाना ही होता है. Felt so bad. रोना आ गया मुझे. सर ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं तुम बच्चे को? देखो सर ने 11 बच्चा रैश ड्राइविंग इसकी वजह से दूसरे लोग मर जाते ना. कहीं को दूसरे मरना इन्हें मर जाने का बोले बदवा देनी लोगों को रोका. वो बच्चा कैसा करता मुझे मालूम ना. इफेक्ट नहीं बैठा बोला ऐसा बोलना तो बाद बच्चे को बुला बोला बेटा तुम्हें कितने ब्रिलियंट तुम्हें आईपीएस ऑफिसर बना बताओ लोगों को पढ़ो तुम्हें बदवा देनी तुम्हें मर जाने का तो बिकॉज ऑफ योर बैड बिहेवियर. डू वी रियली नीड दिस? ऐसा होना क्या हमना बदवा होना चाहिए. अच्छी दुआ होना समझना दुआ ना होना हमारे पास बदवा लेना नहीं किसकी. इसलिए आपका बिहेवियर स्पेशली आफ्टर 10th standard matters a lot. Yeah, please make sure you don't bring any harm to the society. Don't bring bad name to your parents. That matters. That is only successful, ultimate successful. Yeah, that's how you should be, inshallah. Okay. So with this, before ending the session, I just this one. I really like this Muhammad Allama Iqbal Sahab ने खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे कि बता तेरी रजा क्या है. ऐसा लेवल में आप जाना. और अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर. हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुकद्दर का सितारा. आप सब लोग हमारी मिल्लत के मुकद्दर का सितारा हैं. सो आप इसी तरह रहना चाहिए. This is my contact number. You can make a note of my contact number also. After 10, if you are having any challenges, course का है कुछ है तो आपको या if you want to enter into government sector, IAS, IPS, anything you have ambition, please get in touch with me. You can message me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp only number. 8861169896. This is my WhatsApp number. You can make a note of my WhatsApp number. You can message me, sir. मुझे confusion हो रहा सर, guide नहीं करता. Inshallah I will guide you. Yeah. In future also I will guide you. If you want to become IAS officer or any officers you want to become, please get in touch with me. I will guide you, inshallah. Okay. And on this YouTube channel, I am trying to put some videos which will be helpful for you also. Yeah, inshallah. Okay. So with this, I end my session here. How was the session for you? So, thank you so much for your cooperation. You have been very nice kids. I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot. Jazakallah. Islam.
Assalamualaikum. On behalf of everyone present here, I thank Mr. Syed Sadat Pasha for this workshop. He showed us